Yo, 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 how is everyone doing on this fine day? Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to the second FSL podcast episode. Now, before we start, I would like to take a moment to remind everyone to be aware of social distancing and stay safe. You know, being quarantined doesn't mean we can't have fun, because today we will be digging into the topic of pharmaceutical pollution. Pharmaceutical pollution is when the chemicals in medications and personal care products are released into the marine environment. Now, this starts with us humans. You see, over half of all medications actually end up being discarded, while our bodies really only metabolize a fraction of the drugs we take. Even then, a fraction of it is excreted or even washed off. So, drugs then enter the environment through wastewater, and unfortunately, wastewater treatment facilities are not equipped to remove them. Pharmaceutical factories also dump their waste into the aquatic ecosystems, which hugely contribute to the pharmaceutical pollution issue. This brings a deeper impact onto the fish in our waters. You see, this increased estrogen level in the water from the birth control and post-menopausal treatments have a feminizing effect on fish. Some fish have both female and male characteristic. Crazy. Fish in 19 national wild refuges in northeastern U.S. were studied, and the results came. 85% of male smallmouth bass fish collected had eggs growing in their testes. That's not okay. You see, pharmaceutical pollution can also cause fish to be sterile. As you probably already know, the accumulation of drugs in fish and other marine life can be harmful to humans who consume them. This then correlates to the bigger issue of bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Sadly, bacteria can also develop antimicrobial resistance, also known as AMR. If pollutants enter human or animal bodies unnecessarily, this will only lead to a bigger fight against superbugs. And very obviously, these products in the water can cause sore eyes, rashes, and fevers. Then in more serious cases, it may lead to reduced fertility, metabolism issues, developmental delays in children, and breast or prostate cancer. But do not fret, my dears. Not only is it the responsibility of these big pharmas to create plans to work on source control and improve treatment infrastructure, you can also help decrease these impacts. Try to only buy necessary products and make sure that these are disposed properly. Use those take-back programs that should be available in your city. Now, the FSL podcast is based in Vancouver, British Columbia. Luckily for us, over 90% of pharmacies in BC participate in the Medications Return Program. Participating pharmacies will collect expired, unused, and unwanted medications from the public for safe disposal. If you live in BC, please take advantage of this amazing program to help protect the beautiful ecosystem we have. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this episode. Remember, stay safe and recycle.